Welcome to Sci-Fi Show. So ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, have developed quantum communication and joined with the allied countries like the allied countries, those who have got success in quantum computing communication, that UK, USA, Canada, Japan, and China. And recently India also added. So what is quantum communication? Quantum, you know, like the name is suggesting, the quantum computing. In quantum communication, what happened? There are receiver and sender. So when one message is sent to receiver, you have to use the spectrum. The spectrum is like from increasing frequency, like gamma ray, X-ray, UV, V, IR, and radio waves, with decreasing frequency or increasing amplitude. So gamma ray have a very high frequency, and gamma X-ray have little bit low X-ray, then UV, ultraviolet ray, visible ray, invisible also, VYB, GYOR, violet, green, or etc. And we use from that spectrum. So there is a problem when receiver, when sender send through a spectrum and receiver receive. If in middle there is a cunning person, there is a bad person, then he will automatically read what is the message is sent. And many times also happen with the radio signal. So it is encrypted. Let us suppose I am sending to my friend that I am going to Hyderabad in March 27. So let's say one of my enemy want to kill me, so he will read it. So I will make encrypted. So instead of 27, I will add 10. So that's called 37. And I send to my friend that I pre-installed that computer, that whenever some number came, then subtract minus. So I have sent 37. So he subtract 10 and he got exact number. But in the middle person, he got a wrong number. So there are many hackers whose job is to interpret that what they guess that what will be the encryption. What will sometimes you have already seen that in URL when you click that A, B and percentage, and this is called encryption. There are many types of encryption. I am giving example. Recent time Chinese hacker have tried to hack Bharat Biotech, which is in India. It is a large producer of vaccine. So Chinese hacker want to break and the mixture of vaccine. There are many components. They try to change their proposition. So it will be very dangerous. The vaccine will be poisonous. So how it is fragile and how it is dangerous for us, for Indian. So for world also. But now ISRO have achieved, and it have already tested within 300 meter. So it is a very, if it will be implemented in all the things, so how it will work? Those who don't use any spectrum, no, the quantum computing don't use any spectrum. So what is quantum computing? What is quantum communication? So as physics student, so I already know what is quantum entanglement. There are two electrons entanglement. No matter how far you put, let's suppose going to physics, we have to back to chemistry. There are many quantum numbers. From that quantum number, there is a spin quantum number in perhaps in the last stage, magnetic azimuthal or anything magnetic azimuthal. Then there is a spin quantum number which spin either clockwise or anti-clockwise. So if when two electrons entangled, so when two electron entangles, they are in a very bizarre state called entanglement state. So Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. So when you change one electron, it will suddenly change other electron. Let's suppose you don't know, you in quantum mechanics you don't know exactly which electron revolving in clockwise or anti-clockwise. They have in between middle stage. They are also rotating clockwise and also rotating anti-clockwise, two electrons. Let us suppose I interfere with this electron, that it will move in clockwise. So suddenly this electron will move anti-clockwise. So I will know the information. Let's say I am receiver and I am sender and my friend is receiver. So we have two electrons. Now I interfere with this one, so it move in anti-clockwise. Then automatically it move with clockwise without any middle person. The receiver and sender know the information. So it is called quantum communication. So it have already implemented, and it goes with speed of goes beyond speed of light. So it is very faster, and without any interference it will happen, and it happens. And if the application will be applied, so it will be very secure and no one will break, because I have explained that there is not any middle person, never able to hack. And always thanks for listening. Subscribe to my channel for more for daily update of science news in morning.